Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between a niche or niche, whatever way you guys want to pronounce it, and a keyword. Alright, so people normally get confused with these two terms, because normally whenever the topic of self-publishing comes in, and most of the time whenever I advise some of let's say a prospective student that is looking for ideas to get into, and whenever I use these terms, initially it does confuse them. So in this video I'm going to explain things in a very simple manner so that you guys can comprehend what exactly the definition is of each of these words. So let's start with niche, okay, or niche. So a niche or niche is basically a category, all right, where topics are searched for. Okay, so if I tell you, for example, paleo diet, if you want to look for a keyword, or let's say a topic called paleo diet, for example, so let's go to books, okay, and let's type in paleo diet. All right, so here you can see I've typed the keyword paleo diet, and all these books that appears on this page in front of me are all books related to paleo diet. Now if I was to go and click on this books link, okay, and if I scroll down, so you can see where this book appears. All right, these are the categories where this book is going to be appearing in. For example, holiday cooking, paleo cookbooks, budget cooking, etc. So these are going to be the subcategories within a niche. All right, so niche is basically the bigger category. All right, and within a niche you've got sub niches. All right, and within sub niche you can find more and more ideas and topics. All right, so again, coming back to what a niche is basically a category where you can find topics related to different subjects that you're seeking. All right, so if you were to look for paleo diet, I mean, if you were to consider a topic of paleo diet normally goes into the health and fitness niche, okay, or in the health and fitness niche. So just like paleo diet, there are so many topics which you guys can search and look for by making sure that it does follow the criteria, which I will be discussing in the upcoming videos on criteria that makes your keywords profitable. Now, this was the niche part, all right, which I just spoke about. So do not confuse yourself, guys. A niche or niche is basically a category, okay, not a keyword. Let me show you once again. Health and fitness, paleo diet, it's a diet book. It comes within diet books, okay. Diet books can be considered a sub niche, okay, whereas paleo diet can be considered a keyword that comes within the health and fitness niche. Clear? Now we'll go and discuss what exactly a keyword is. So what is a keyword? Keyword basically is the search term, okay, which people look in for when they are searching for books. And as I've discussed this, your Amazon business is going to be profitable provided you publish books in profitable keywords. Because if you're going to be publishing book on, let's say, for example, let's see, what's a weird topic that I can think of. Let's say, for example, I am a winner. Okay, maybe there would be a book. Okay, and I'm just giving you guys this example of, I mean, for the sake of giving an example, I am a winner. Okay, and I type in this keyword. Now if you notice, when I typed in this keyword, there weren't much auto suggestions that were appearing underneath it, right? That means there is not much demand. People aren't typing a keyword like this, which is called I'm a winner. All right, instead you have to go in and look for keywords that has demand. For example, if I was to type paleo diet, you can see I'm getting so many auto suggestions from Amazon, which shows and tells me that there are so many customers who are looking for keywords or topics related to these examples that are being given right on the screen. Okay, so paleo diet, it's being searched for. You've got paleo diet for beginners, that's another keyword. Paleo diet book, that is another keyword. Paleo diet cookbook, paleo cookbook, paleo diet for athletes, paleo diet for weight loss, paleo instant pot cookbook, paleo for beginners. So these are different keywords that people are searching for. So once again, keyword is basically a search term which is typed into the Amazon auto suggestion box. It could be anywhere. It could be the Amazon auto suggestion box. It could be on the Crafter digital platform. It could be on Ingram Spark, anywhere. All right. But keyword is basically the topic or the title, not really the title, but it's basically the search term that people use while searching for a book. That is known as a keyword. All right. Now, important thing is, when you are preparing your books, make sure that the title of your book is also also happens to be the keyword of that particular category in which you are seeking to get into. Okay, so if you're gonna go with paleo diet for beginners, for example, okay, if this is the keyword that you have selected, it meets all the profitable criteria that I've given. Make sure paleo diet for beginners is gonna be the title of your book. Like here you see, title of this book is paleo diet. If let's assume if you decide to go with this particular keyword, so make sure that paleo diet for beginners is going to be the title of the book, and subtitle could be something like, let's say, 100 recipes, 100 healthy breakfast paleo diet recipes, for example. And then your second book could be 100 healthy paleo diet lunch recipes, and so on. So you guys get the idea, right? So hope you've understood the difference between a niche, and a keyword. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.